a lift without using the Proud Rhino lift rods. It is that easy to change the ride height using the GAP tool. Hello my Rover friends and welcome back to the Lucky 8 channel. Today we got Project Sport Part 2 in the shop and it is running some oversized tires. We've got a set of 32-inch tires from Maxxis. They're the Razors. I don't know. I'm really not a big fan of the name, but the tires are absolutely fantastic. The issue that we're having is the Sport's looking a little low. And I'm gonna show you step by step how to use the GAP tool to give your Range Rover Sport LR3 a lift without using the Proud Rhino lift rods. Hey, wait, we sell lift rods. All right, I don't know. It'll figure itself out. Cue the intro. First thing you need to do is plug your handy dandy GAP tool into the OBD port. Connect your iPhone or your Android to the GAP app, and on the main page you're going to see all of the selections that you have: faults, height, adjust. And we're going to stop right there. We're going to height adjust. We're going to click that and it gives you multiple settings. So let's take a look at what GAP has programmed in to make life easy. Setting 1, 30 mil lift, about 2 inches, I'll take that. Setting 2, GAP, what are we doing? We don't want negative 20. I don't know, maybe we need stance. And setting 3, we can customize that. I'm not touching it. I'm gonna go to setting 1 and we're gonna hit program. Upload changes to the vehicle, absolutely. Updating, operation successful. It is that easy to change the ride height using the GAP tool. I'm gonna get it outside so you guys can see the difference in height. All right, now it looks like a proper Land Rover. Only one more thing left to do. Follow for more Rover content.